Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you a new video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and add a shop button right there in your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we'll simply start our video. For the matter, let's go ahead. First of all, open our Instagram app. Right, so once you're logged in, what you will do is tap on this profile icon given below, and this will open up your profile section. So let's say since your account is for business purpose, for professional, you have turned this on, then we can see this professional dashboard. If you tap on that option given, this will simply give you access to your tools, which includes a shops option given over here. If you tap on the shops option, this will let you have your open your shop on Instagram option, which will then you can go ahead check out the facilities available. Then you will tap on this get started, and you will have to connect your business account with your business Facebook account. You can go ahead, and then after that you will have to enter your business contact email address that you have created. Once you're done entering those information, you can simply go ahead, tap on this next option. You will have to make sure you click connect, and then you can see this option called use a partner, new catalog, and then you can go ahead choose a person. Like these are the options available for you to open a shop and to link with. We can choose any of them, and then tap on this next option, and you will have to enter your website. You will have to have a website, an official one where people can go visit if they have more inquiries regarding any of the product of your shops or any of the services. You want to entering your website information, tap on this next option, and you will be able to create a shop for yourself right there on Instagram, and then you will be able to access the shop button as well. So this is basically it, guys, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.